Namaste. Today we will discuss about the second law of thermodynamics. We can draw two pictures, T1 source and in the bottom sink, T2 temperature and source at T1 temperature. And heat energy, heat engine. Heat engine is wants to produce some work, it has to exchange heats energy with two reservoirs present at different temperature T1 and T2 stated by Kelvin's Planck. And Clausius states that heat can flow in general, heat can flow from higher temperature to lower temperature, but heat can flow temperature. In this case, heat can flow temperature to lower temperature to higher temperature, and we give but for external, that is external work can be done or required. Then significance, the efficiency of an heat engine can never be 1. Unity, that is heat can be released to the cold reservoir can never be made 0. Second point, the coefficient of performance of refrigerator can never be infinity, can never be 0. That is the significance. Limitations, the entropy of a system must always remain the same or increase in a closed system. Second point, it is applicable for a cyclic process in which the system returns to its original state after a complete cycle of a changes. That means second law, the efficiency of a engine cannot be 1 or can never be 100%. If the efficiency of an engine is 100%, then heat taken from the source Q1 and converted and completely converted source reconverted into work done, and there is no heat rejected out Q2 to the same. We are not making the and Q2 to the same, and we are not making the flow. That's why it is not possible. Unless there is heat pump we can use, unless we apply a heat pump, other than there is no way to send the heat from sink to source. Can't be heat from sink, okay, can't be done. Entropy, or you can say the law explains that in an insulated system the entropy will never be decreased over time. So entropy means del S universe is greater than 0. That means change in del S means change in entropy. Change in entropy is always greater than 0. So entropy means measure of randomness or the randomness of the system, or it is the disorder of the system. Measure the entropy or chaos within an isolated system. This is called entropy. In a closed system, mass is constant, so there is no exchange of heat between surrounding. This change in the heat content create a disturbance in the system, thereby increasing the entropy of the system. Secondly, internal changes may occur in the movements of the molecules of the system. This leads to disturbances which further causes irreversibilities inside the increment of the entropy. This is all about second law of thermodynamics. We have to in this way prepare, and we have to write in the examination second law of thermodynamics. We have to draw the diagram in this way: Q1, Q2, T1, T2, T1 source, T2 sink at T2 temperature, T1 at source at T1 temperature. We can write in this way. If there is any doubt, then you ask me in my comment section. Subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you. Namaste.